Hello friends, this one question is being asked to me multiple times, whether is it okay for our toddler or my child who is around 2 to 5 years or 5 to 10 years, 10 to 18 years to have tea, coffee or any caffeinated foods, okay, or drinks. So this video is basically for that, and let me tell you, I thought of having some fun while shooting for you all. Can you see my eyes? Yes, I'm trying to use some effects so that I can have fun as I'm shooting for you all the educational videos. Okay, so do comment below how do my eyes look. Okay, so coming to the question about the caffeinated drinks in children or use of tea, coffee in children, it is best to avoid it. The reason is coffee or caffeinated drinks or tea, when you drink it, it causes you to feel this feeling of awakening, freshening or enlightened feeling, right? So that is what causes lot of sleep disturbances in children. So other than that, the problems that the children can have when they drink such type of drinks is that heart rate can increase, there can be change in the rhythm of the heart, poor sleep, then sleep disturbances, as I already said, depression, anxiety. This can be to a big extent. Okay, now coming to how much they can drink, children below the age of 5 years should not drink caffeinated drinks at all. Children between the age of 5 years till 10 years can drink around 100 ml of this fluid, and that is half of a cup, and children between 10 to 18 years can drink around 200 ml of this fluid, provided they don't take any other substance containing caffeine like colas or chocolates or chocolate containing drinks. Remember, the best drink for children is plain water, lots of plain water. Tea, coffee or any caffeinated drinks are a big no for the children because they can have a lot of problems. In Goa, we have this, many children ask cha ani pav, that is the pav which you get here in Goa, the brown pav, what you eat in pav bhaji type. Okay, that pav, whether it can be dipped in tea and given to the children who are small, who are less than 2 years of age. So again, it's a big no for children who are small. Also, I told the quantities for above 5 years and above 10 years of age. So if you like this video, please see to it that you like it, share it, and if you are seeing me on Instagram, please see to it that you share and save this video so as to share to some other friends of yours. So stay tuned to my channel so that I come up with different answers to many other parents' questions, so that you will get answered somewhere or the other. Also remember, most of my topics I'm going on arranging them either in a playlist or in a guide, depending upon where I upload them. So if you are seeing me on Instagram, go to my guide section. I'm forming guides for different things, so do help me by asking questions which are more towards the development of the child or some common problems in the child. If it is something very particular problem with your child, or it is something that you don't want me to discuss online, please opt for the teleconsultation facilities, because otherwise I can't answer those questions one-to-one within the chat. Everything that I answer is something that will help around 100 or 1000 extra people. Also, don't forget to comment on my eyes. Okay, I will go on having some different avatars here so that even I can have fun while I am shooting for you all. See you, bye bye, and stay tuned to all my 3 channels. Bye bye.